Ready? Go! You're not taking the picture.
I'm recording it, Dumbo.
Really?
Yeah.
Watch. Now, I'm gonna hurt myself. Stop recording a picture of me because I don't want. Okay, bye-bye. Turn the camera off. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Shut the camera off. Shut the flipping camera off.
What, Jess? I didn't hear you. Oh my gosh, you did that on purpose.
What'd you say?
I'm thinking a yes.
Okay,
Am I thinking a yes?
What did you say?
I said my blue sweatshirt was over there. What did you think I said?
And I said, I think you did that on purpose.
Did what on purpose?
Left your blue sweatshirt over there?
I didn't know it was there.
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant in a different room.
Okay, can you stop recording it now?
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, stop and let me see it.
Okay, no.
Is it close up? Close up? Close up, anyone? Close up? Woo, close up. Yeah, close up.
Not on my phone.
Woo.
Stop. Okay, stop.
Liz, I stopped it. Let's get Devin.
Okay, Liz,
Devin, you're so boring. Bye.